We've all heard the theory that chimps are close human relatives, but is there any truth to that? Secular scientists claimed in the 1970s that chimp genomes are 98% similar to humans, and it was apparently verified by more modern techniques. But that estimate actually used cherry-picked segments of DNA that we already share with chimps, not the whole genomes. The latest comparison to include all of the DNA between the two species revealed no more than an 85% identity, a huge difference from what scientists have been claiming for years. And an 85% similarity really isn't surprising. Chimps and humans, and even dogs, cats, horses, and more, share some basic genetic similarities that specify proteins that help metabolize foods, grow hair, breathe air, and drink water. So of course, much of the genetic material would have to be the same since it specifies similar biochemical processes. But chimps don't have the intellectual abilities of humans to create or communicate, or the creative abilities in their hands. For example, they cannot build hospitals, operate on one another, play baseball, or write poetry. So it makes sense that when new research compared individual pieces of chimp DNA piece by piece with similar places on human chromosomes, they were about 15% different. That means at least 450 million DNA letter differences separate the two species. Far too many precise and vital bits of information for any source other than genius intelligence to generate. Chimps and humans are very different, not only in their anatomy and behavioral traits, but also in their DNA. When the DNA sequences of humans and chimps are compared, it becomes clear that they were each engineered uniquely and separately by an omnipotent genius creator.